Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
So, how is everything going on? So, I want to get the feedback. That's why I decided to interact with all of you. So, as you have finished first 2 years, right? You are in a third year, and now it's a high time that, according to your career goal, you have to start working on that. So, after 1 year, you are going to face your placement. Those who have decided to go for entry level jobs, and those who have decided to pursue their master. Okay. Now it's a high time that you should start preparing for GRE or IELTS or TOEFL or whatever examinations. And those who have decided to pursue their master within India, then for GATE examination and all that. So as you have already seen that placement season is going on for your senior batch, which is the second batch of our institute, and you can see that they are doing good. Almost 80 plus students have already been placed in first 8 companies, and still there are so many companies are in pipeline. So there are no issues related to job. You can see that ample opportunities are there and will be there for all of you also. And there is a very high growth. As you can see that we are going to soon witness the 5G. So we are going to move from 100 Mbps to 100 Gbps network. And data transfer rate is of course going to be very high. We have already witnessed that Windows 11. So Windows 11 has already been released. Soon you are going to see Core i9 processor. So you can see that there is evolution in hardware, evolution in platform like operating systems, evolution in data transfer technologies. We are moving from 4G to 5G. And this all will bring a lot of revolution, and based on that, a lot of new softwares are required to be built in. Because as due to 5G, now data is going to pump at tremendous speed, and we require new software which are very much compatible, efficient, which can take this much amount of data and process it and get the insight out of that. So there are a lot of opportunities. You can see that all IT companies have delivered very nice result of first quarter. And if you see the growth plan also, almost all the organizations have decided to hire thousands of new employees as well as freshers also. So you have to immediately start working very hard. Okay, right now, based on the feedback, if I'm going to share, is not that much technical, but rather attitude related, behavior related issues are more there. So I request all of you to work on the internal qualities, on aptitude, on attitude, right, on your interpersonal skills, soft skill equally, along with the technical skill. See, almost 1.5 years have already been passed, and you people have not approached to the universities, and this situation is everywhere. Not I am talking about for our university or our state or our country, rather it is similar across almost all the organizations. You are aware that still there is a chance of third wave, or there are Delta variants and all this people are talking about, and still vaccination is going on. And still government has not released the SOP, okay, and GR is not released, and that's why every university is now in a wait and watch, okay, situation. So we are also in a wait and watch situation. We have already asked all of you to submit your concern, and 190 students around have submitted your concern. Means almost 15 to 20% students have shown the interest to come personally to university and attend the lectures at the laboratories. So we'll see within next 15 days after 16th of August how we are going to open up as per the government guidelines, and by seeing the other universities, by keeping all safety measures in mind. Okay, because you see that last time we have opened up, and immediately in computer department, one student in CSPIT, one girl was corona positive, and due to her, so many other people and staff members have been affected, including in DevStar also almost 7 to 8 staff members have been affected with COVID-19. And in applied science also, in physiotherapy nursing also, almost 12 students have been found corona positive. So you see that this will be, the whole campus will be at very risk. So we have to be very careful in deciding still. So unless and until the situation is going to be normal, we have to still wait. Okay, but you should not worry, right? Like whatever you have missed, like industry exposure and all, as soon as the things are going to become normal, as well as everything is going to be opened up, you will be provided all the exposure what you have missed. But by this time, all of you have to acquire very good skill, technical skill as well as soft skill. So many alternative learning platforms are available. So you have to use all that. You have to enroll for online courses. okay? And you have to read books, right? You have to attend all the lectures regularly. So learning must happen. I am repeatedly telling, whether you are at university, whether you are at home, whether you are at traveling. So you have to ensure that you should learn new things every day. All right. So you have almost now 3 semesters, and after that 8 semester is full industry training. All of you are aware. So only 15 to 18 subjects you are required to study now. So now your actual specialization will start here. You are going to get so many tracks here for department electives, institute elective, university elective. So this is where now you have to decide to focus on your specialization. So you are aware that right now there is an era of data science, machine learning, IoT, cloud computing, blockchain, right? Cyber security, AR, VR, 3D printing. So these all are the emerging areas, and according to NASSCOM, according to Gartner, millions of jobs are going to be there in next 5 years. So I always used to tell all of you and my staff members also that you should not look today. You have to see the scenario in 2025 and 2030. So when we have started in year 2000, at that time also we were not talking about 2000, but we were talking about 2005 and 2010. In 2010 we were talking about 2020, and now we are talking about 2025 and 2030. So we are aware that which kind of jobs will be there, what will be the role of IT professionals, okay? And accordingly, all courses, all such kind of exposures are being provided to all of you. So here you see that a lot of professional society chapters are there. And still, I think there is a less encouragement I have found among the students that they haven't become the member of CSI, IEEE, SCM still. So if you are going to become member, you are going to differentiate yourself out of millions of engineers, okay? So very few people have a vision, those who are becoming the member in these professional society chapters. So these professional society chapters will offer you the platform where you can interact without any barriers with the industry people, with academia, with foreign professors, with your peers from other institutes and all that. So here there is no difference between student, industry person, professor and all that. And that's why you have to be a member of this. And here you'll be getting a lot of such kind of digital content every month. We have a communication under all these 3 chapters, which will give you information about the latest happenings which are actually going on in our field. So I request all of you, because if you are going to mention in your resume that you are member of IEEE, CSI or ACM, then it will differentiate yourself from the others. The way you are member of social media, here if you are going to become member, then I think it will be good for your career. Second thing is we are running a lot of certification and academies. Again, I have seen from your batch less enthusiasm is there for the Cisco, for Oracle, for Microsoft, okay, for Java, for AWS. So you see, you people are not aware that these certifications are being offered to all of you at a cheapest rate, right? This is only the recurring amount what we are asking. If you have to carry out same kind of certification from outside, you have to pay 5 to 10 times more. Okay, because here we are hardly charging 2,000 rupees or 2,500 rupees per module. So which is nothing. But you may not be aware that when you are facing an interview, there is a 10 separate point along with your qualification. If you have certification, then you have a 10 points. Same way, those who are applying for masters, and if you want to pursue your masters, and if you are going to write your recommendation letter, and if you are going to write that you have this kind of certification, it will definitely add the value. And it is nothing but a validation of knowledge along with the skill. Fine. So how do you validate this skill? How do you validate whether you have acquired the knowledge or not? So this all academies, certifications are nothing but the validation that you don't have only knowledge, but you have a required skill also. So again, my request to all of you is if you haven't enrolled for such kind of certification because you are not aware that which kind of value addition it will make to your career. So please remember that this all are going to make a lot of difference, and you have to make your documents very strong because documents have to speak. Okay, so whether it's your mark sheets or grade sheets, CGPA, SGPA, whatever you are talking, of course, learning and knowledge is equally important. It's not only about CGPA, but along with that, you must have an equal contribution in sports, cultural, social activities and all that. So we believe in holistic development, all of you are aware. So again, you have to take part in so many such kind of online events and you have to show your talent. So we always used to provide platform, and ultimately you have to showcase your talent. So please ensure that your involvement in all such kind of activities and your overall and all-round development should be there. Otherwise, you are going to write a recommendation letter or you are going to write your resume and you are not going to look an interesting personality to the organization. Okay, so today there is an era where people are looking for dynamic people, those who are thinking out of box, those who are creative, okay, those who are solution focused, those who are having good internal qualities like they have a caring nature and helping nature and they are a team player and they have leadership abilities. So these all things are going to make equal impact, right? Don't consider only knowledge and skill are important. There is a 60% HR values or internal qualities which are going to play the role in getting job, also in getting admissions to any other universities, whether you want to pursue MBA or MTech within India or MS outside India. Again, you have to start preparing for competitive exams, as I've said, whether it is GATE or IELTS or TOEFL or GRE or whatever. You should learn at least one foreign language, even if you are not going to the country like Germany or France, like German and French. But if you are going to learn Japanese or Chinese also, and if you are going to write in your resume, then of course we have so many projects in all these big companies from these particular countries. So if you write that you are knowing this language, then of course you'll be given much more preferences. This is what I have learned from so many industry people, and this is based on my interaction with them. Apart from this, you have to focus on research. Now you are mature enough, your core subjects have already been over. You have already studied up to 4 semesters or the foundation courses of computer science and IT. So now at least you can start focusing on your research, because if you want to pursue your masters and if you want to pursue your PhD also, then if you have 2 or 3 publications in a good quality journal like Scopus Index or Web of Science Index with some good impact factor, then you will be getting a lot of scholarship and reduction in your fees. Okay, so we have seen that in so many other universities, if the students at undergraduate level, if they have done some publication or if they have made some publications, and based on that, if they are applying and based on the recommendation of the professors, they are getting 40% reduction in the fees. This is a very huge amount. Out of $14,000, now you have to pay only $8,000 or $10,000 per semester or per term. So you won't realize all these values right now, what I'm saying, unless and until you are going to witness this in your career in the future. So right now, whatever I am saying in since last 21 years, okay, so the students are taking very lightly. But if you meet the alumni, and now the student, those who are approaching me after 5 years, 10 years down the line, when they come back to India, or when those who are working in Pune, Hyderabad or Ahmedabad, and when they come during alumni meet, or when they come to India and they are meeting me or they are sending me the message, then always used to tell that all what you were saying are very important. Now we are realizing. So we have missed all that part. So at least this should not happen with all of you, and that's why I'm repeatedly saying that all these clubs what we have opened, this is to develop leadership abilities among all of you. All these academic certifications are just nothing but the validation of the knowledge and skill what you have acquired. The professional society chapters what we have started is nothing but for your all-round development, where you can interact with all kind of people without any barrier. Okay, not within India but outside India also. So this all things and initiative what we have started along with all super specialty lab, including Center of Excellence on AI. So we'll be getting all the hardware on 10th of August. We have already received the mail. So soon you can see that with the all latest servers and the workstations, you have a huge amount of data, and with 5G, you can't imagine that which kind of processing you can do and with how much efficiency. So this everything, all facilities have been made for all of you only, okay, for students only. So those who are staying nearby, at least they can start approaching the university, okay, and they can work in a laboratory also. So this is what from my side, and I am expecting that all of you have to meet the expectations of all your teachers, including me. And you should not forget that you are not carrying your image, but you are carrying our image. So the companies are not coming up with fixed requirement. They are going to hire as many students as possible if the requirements are going to be fulfilled with the students. So, and there is a variable package now, okay? So benefit is what? You can have a 10 lakh rupees also, 8 lakh rupees also. In a single class, you can find in same company, the guy is with 4 lakh rupees also and 10 lakh rupees also. So if you are going to get higher salaries, your package is good, then you can make your life more quality, right? And you are aware that you can acquire more resources, you can make a lot of impact on the people with the brand, with the money. and you can live a quality life. So you can imagine that if you are going to work hard for this 4 year, for which 2 years have already been passed. So those who are at the boundary of first class or distinction, they have to work extraordinarily hard, and they have to build their right career along with this good CGPA. Your grade sheet should be good, your resume should look good, your documents have to speak, because before interview your documents are always going to be circulated. So make sure you must have a required skill. Okay, so whatever skill in which you are lacking, because everybody is not lacking in all the skills. So somebody is poor in expressing abilities, somebody is poor in communication skills, somebody is poor in terms of their body language, positivity. Okay, somebody is not good at his attitude. So all this part you have to introspect yourself, and you have to install all this lacking value among you. Teachers are always there, your counselors are there, your head of the departments are there, I am always available. Okay, but make sure that there is a huge expectation when you say you are in Charusat. The companies have an expectation when you are going to apply to the foreign universities, because we have a history of 21 years now. So now people are aware about the students, what your seniors did in the past. So please remember that you have to meet the expectation of the people, because a lot of people have a huge requirement, a huge expectation, and that's why they are approaching Charusat. And the admission wise, placement wise, result wise, we all are doing great in spite of we are new institute. So with the help and support of all of you and the faith of your parents, okay, we are doing good. You can see that our merit is increasing year on year. Our package, average package is increasing. Placements are good. Even results are good. So I am happy till date, but still I expect all of you have to outperform in all this part what we have discussed, right? And that's why I've decided that at least I should discuss with you regarding this. And if you are facing any issue, if you have any suggestion, now it is welcome. So Rima madam, I am done. If students have any question, if any recommendation, suggestion, their observation, any feedback, it is welcome.
Friends, you can interact with sir. If you have any suggestion or any, query, you can ask sir. You have an opportunity to interact with our dean. So please go on.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, myself, Avnish Singh. I'm from fifth SEM computer engineering. Thank you, sir, for eye-opening that as a computer engineering undergrad, we don't have that much of experience, so we have to focus in our resume. We have to focus to like we have to put something in resume that's कि लाइक कि सर हमारा कुछ मतलब हमने कुछ किया या फिर उससे कुछ हमें एक्सपीरियंस मिल सके। तो सर मेरा ये एक ही लास्ट क्वेश्चन था सर कि आपने बोला माइक्रोसॉफ्ट और ये सब है, तो सर हम अप्रोच कैसे करें वो सारी चीजों के लिए?
See, I have already requested all the head of the departments to give the presentation regarding all the academies which we are running along with the fees and all other structure. Okay. So within 1 or 2 days, all the HODs will be interacting with all of you, and we are going to circulate that document also. Okay. So Rima madam, related to this professional society chapter, their annual
Yes.
membership part, these academies and the clubs, this document to be circulated before 4:30 today.
Okay, sir. Sure.
To
Sir.
this page. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, first thing is all of you have to express yourself whenever you are given a platform. Your communication skills should be improved. Okay, you should be confident enough. Confidence always comes from preparation. So make sure that English is a universal language, and you have to do a lot of practice. By attending lectures, you cannot learn. You have to improve your listening abilities, speaking abilities, reading and writing abilities, right? So all 4 dimensions are equally important, and it will be enhanced only by doing a lot of practice. So start speaking in English with your friends, with your family members and all that. And don't worry about making a mistake. You can learn from mistake. But all of you should be fluent in English, right? And my request to all of you is please at least go for IELTS. Don't appear in exam, but at least you can go and attend the classes of IELTS. It will hardly like you have to pay 3,000 or 4,000 rupees, and if you are going to appear for exam, you have to again invest 10 to 12,000. But at least if you are going to go for this IELTS courses for 2 months, all of your 4 dimensions in communication will be enhanced. Or you can learn online also, I don't mind, but this is my recommendation, that your personality should be very dynamic. Okay, today there is an era where you cannot remain shy. Okay, you should be very bold in terms of your personality. So please ensure that you should be perfect in each and every dimension. Yes.
Yes, Soumya, Mokshi, Dhruval, please ask.
Sir, one last question. As you have a lot of experience, sir, that one question that I want to ask, sir, that as a student we have to do lot of work, we have to do our college work, like side skills, like coding skill, lots of work, sir. Then, sir, give us some guides how to manage time, sir. Because sir,
See, there are no classes for that. You have to manage your time, you have to manage your relationship, right? You have to manage your finance, you have to manage your life, and you have to balance your work and life in future also, not during this time. So you have to learn how to manage concurrently so many things, the way we are doing. Okay. So if you are going to beat the deadline rather than meeting the deadline, then this is never going to happen, that you will be in stress and all that. So every day, whatever work is there, you have to finish before you go to sleep, before you go to your bed. This is how I've been working since last 21 years. You can see that my table is always clear, and so many activities concurrently I am managing, and still you come and meet me. I'm always, you can find me always free. I am always available. So only thing is, I am not having queue as a data structure. I am having stack as a data structure. Okay. So please manage your time efficiently. So ultimate use of any resource is called management, whether it's a money, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a time, whether it's a life. Right. So you have to learn how to manage so many things concurrently. Like the way our human brain is working, right? Like you are attending lecture, but inside your brain, so many things are going on. Like I'm worried about my family, my friends, my staff, my college, my university. So everything is going on in parallel. So human brain is capable of processing so many data from so many sides. So exactly you have to use your human brain and up to full, okay, 100% utilization of human brain. Then you can easily achieve that. So yes, time management is very crucial, and for that, whatever you are learning before you go to sleep, you have to recall, you have to finish your assignments, right? Or at least you should approach your bed, and before you should approach your bed, at least some new things you must have learned. This is what you have to plan.
Thank you, sir. That's perfect for me.
Right, so you should not waste time. There are so many distractors. You are aware that internet is biggest distractor, mobile is the biggest distractor. So yes, you can play the games also. You can spend some time on internet, meeting your friends and all that, but you have to restrict that time, right? Because these 4 years, 2 years have already been passed, and remaining 2 years will decide for next 40 years what will be your life. So you have to decide whether you have to involve yourself in struggle for next 40 years, or whether you want to live quality life. Because you can't imagine the happiness in your face of your parents when you are in 7th semester and there is an offer letter in your hand, and if you are going to show to your parents, those who are investing huge amount of money, okay, they have sacrificed lot of their hobbies and all that for all of you. So this is the university. Very few universities are providing such kind of opportunities where before 7th semester is over, our 100% placement is achieved. Those who have decided to pursue their master, okay, so before your graduation is over, your admissions are confirmed, you have a good score in GRE, you have a good score in IELTS. So this all, you can't imagine that which kind of satisfaction it will bring into your parents' faces and all that. And for that, you have to work hard, right? So you decide you have to live struggle life with a struggle in next 40 years, or you want to live quality life. Work hard for these 2 years and secure your job, secure your good admissions, associate with good brand, and you can attract any people, because more money means you can acquire more resources, and with more resources you can attract more people, you can make a lot of impact in the life of the people. right? Without that, no one can live quality life. And in IT field, sky is the limit. That's why you are here. Okay, so you see that in a single company, you're from same class, you are going to see that a guy is having 4 lakh salary and 8 lakh salary also. So imagine that the guy who is having 8 lakh salary, who can attract more people socially also, professionally also, he can live more quality life, he can acquire more resources. So you have to decide you want to live the ordinary life or quality life, and for that you have to work. Right? Every month you can have a new mobile. So whatever you are right now, right, using day and night, you will be bored using that technology, that devices. So right now there is only time you have to invest in terms of building your career, okay, and to achieve your career goal. The rest of the things will automatically get adjusted. And attitude is very important, okay, behavior is very important. Don't underestimate internal qualities, okay. So it's not only about CGPA, SGPA and your grade sheets. Most of the students are always filtered in HR round, 70%. So you can understand what I'm saying. This is only because they are not team player, okay? They are selfish, or they don't have a leadership abilities. They don't have a forward-looking nature. They don't have a solution-focused mindset. Right? You can't complain always. Whatever resources are there, with that you have to give the best. There are no infinite resource, there is no infinite money, there is no infinite time. Even I don't have anything. You are also not going to have anything. So whatever available is with you, with me, I have to give best out of that. So we should not always complain. Okay, in industry also, at home also, at university also. Yes, what you want may not be there, but what you need is always going to be there. Right, and we are the resourceful organization. All of you are aware. We are taking extreme care, all your teachers, and we are always worried about you. Yes, next.
So we have to flexible in every situation.
Yes, we have to learn, we have to adapt, okay, and we have to remain flexible. We have to be open-minded, we have to be forward-looking.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
This is what IT field always, right, teaches us. So you are in IT field, so you should be ready to work in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune. You should be ready to work in Canada also. You should easily adapt the cross culture of Bangalore also. You should easily adapt the cross culture of Canada also. Otherwise, if you are not going to fit, if you are not going to adapt this cross culture fast, you are not going to survive yourself.
Yeah, sure.
See, you have to work with a different mindset of the people. Someone is aggressive, someone is defensive, with a different gender, male, female, different religious. Right? You know, option is there. You see that I have a staff and staff, I am available with them. So they don't have any option. They have to work with me, and I have no option. I have to work with them. Right? So we have to adjust ourselves in all the situation with all kind of people. And this is what is a people management. Most important skill, relationship management. Relationship dynamics, right? Those who can do this, they can survive. Ideal people may not be available all the time, right? All of you are aware. Skilled IT, there is a shortage of international shortage of skilled IT staff. IT professionals are millions. They are available still. But I am talking about skilled IT staff, that is technical, interpersonal, and soft skill. So whether or do we have a required qualities what industry people are looking? This is what is my question to all of you. See, after 50 companies are approaching and still you are not getting placed, who is at fault? You just tell me. And why there are 50 companies? You got the rejection in first company, you are aware that which mistake you have committed. And if you are not going to improve yourself, and if you are going to commit same mistake again and again, who is at fault? You just tell me. So you tell me 50 companies are coming is good, or only 10 companies in which our 100% placement we achieve is good? Which scenario is good? I should feel proud by saying that our university, there are 50 companies are visiting our university, or in 10 companies, I am achieving 100% result or 100% placement. Which scenario is good? You tell me. Should I take proud by saying more companies are visiting, or should I take proud in saying that only 2 companies in which 100% placement is over?
Sir, first one is good.
First one is good. More companies are coming. Good.
No, sir. Second one means.
So
10 was.
please understand what I am saying. Okay. So no one can reject anyone in personal life, in professional life without your permission. If you give chance, then and then you are getting rejected. Otherwise, you are aware that with which kind of preparation you have to approach the organization, you have to approach the person. So that rejection should not be there. So you are aware that TCS is coming, then you must be aware about every aspect of TCS. You must have visited website, you are aware in which technologies they are working, which kind of projects they have. You must have solved past technical papers. Okay. So with full preparation, if you are approaching, you will be always having confidence. And of course, based on that, there will be no rejection. But are we serious about our profession? Are we serious about our education, our career? You just think and introspect yourself. Ask yourself a question that if TCS or Infosys will come, will you be get placed in that company? If today I am going to conduct the interview, for example, on subjects what you have learned up to 4th semester, how many of you are confident that you have all required knowledge about all the fundamental courses or foundation courses like data structures, DBMS, data communication, discrete mathematics, operating system, object-oriented concepts? These all are the foundation. On top of that, all other courses what you are studying right now, you are studying. So I haven't studied any of the courses on which I am specialized right now. Machine learning, I haven't studied, right? When I finished my graduation, I haven't studied data mining. So why we are surviving? Because of our foundation. Our foundation was strong. Our fundamentals are very much clear. So on top of that, I am not worried about Python today. After 5 years, new language will be there. Can anyone guarantee that after 5 years, Python will be there? Have you heard before 10 years there was a Python? No. So in IT field, the technologies are always going to change, but fundamental things are always going to remain same. Class is a class, inheritance is a inheritance, constant is a constant, variable is a variable. Only syntax will change. Some programming languages which are newly emerged are going to remove certain restrictions of what you are right now working. So in future, new languages which are always going to be better than right now what you are using. But that does not mean the fundamental things are going to remain, that is going to change. Right? Stack is stack, queue is queue. Linked list is a linked list, and array is array, pointer is a pointer. Whether you are talking about Java or whether you are talking about Python, concept never changes, only syntax changes. Right? So no friends are going to remain friend, okay, unless and until you are going to attach yourself or associated yourself with a good brand, unless and until you are going to earn a lot of money, acquire a lot of resources, okay, otherwise people will leave you. People are always attracted with the resources, okay, and you can only acquire good resources with a good money. And if you have to earn good money, then you have to associate with a good brand and you have to work extraordinarily hard. Then and then you can live quality life. Otherwise, there will be a struggle for whole life. Now it is up to you. Again, I am repeatedly telling, right? This is what your seniors haven't heard, which I am always used to tell since last 21 years to all the batches. So if you are also going to take it lightly, you will always remember me what I am saying today after 5 years down the line, after 10 years down the line. So you are lucky that you have got the admission in Charusat, okay? And there is a value of degree, there is a value of organization. You see, it's a NAC A grade university. We have a center of excellence. So we are among top 5 universities in state of Gujarat, right? We have a good NIRF ranking. We are among 101st 10 universities of the nation. We are a member of universities of Commonwealth universities. We are a member of All India Universities, AIU. So your degree, no one can doubt. Okay, all programs are AICTE approved. You can see that every year we are going for AICTE approval, in spite of we are private university. So we fulfill all the basic requirement or minimum requirement which are set by the government. We achieve all the standards which are set by the government. So this is for whose benefit? This is for your benefit. So you are not a commerce guy, you are not arts guy, okay? You are in an IT field. Sky is the limit for you in terms of growth. You can become billionaire in just 10 years with a new idea. So it's not only corporate is offering job, government, UPSC, GPSC, Indian Army, Indian Navy, okay, research organization, ISRO, IPR, PRL, BISEC, DRDO, huge openings are there. 20% people are going to retire in next 2 years. Do we have a required skill? Do we have a vision? Academics, you can carry out and you can pursue up to PhD and you can be a part of academics, the way we are working right now. So all our teachers are either PhD or pursuing PhD, right? So you see that after 3 years, every staff is having PhD degree. So you can imagine which kind of knowledge, depth of knowledge they are going to have. So in industry also, PhD, your qualification always going to matter. So if there are 2 persons, okay, and there is a one position of project manager, one person is having PhD, 10 years of experience, another person is MTech having 10 years experience, another person is BTech having 10 years experience. Who can become? You just tell me. To whom should I offer project manager position? It's only experience is going to matter. So industry also, they have a product organization, they have a R&D, research and development department, and you can head that department because only 1% or 2% people are having PhD degree in this country. So if you acquire up to PhD qualification, then you are among the first 2% of the people in terms of education in this country. And only 10 to 12% people have a master's degree out of the total people, those who are graduating. So if you are finishing your master's, then you are among first 12 to 13% people, those who are having master's degree at the whole nation. Okay, so you are aware about gross enrollment ratio, 30% around means right now it is 25. 23 to 25 means only up to 25% people are finishing up to 10 standard education in India. And I am talking out of that 1%, 2% or 10%. Right? So qualification always going to matter. Right? It's not like in industry it is not required. In research organization, if you have a PhD, so you cannot just think that somebody after finishment of their BTech, they have started earning, and those who are pursuing masters or those who are pursuing PhD, they are not earning. Okay, right now so many scholarships and other things are there. You can qualify for GATE. Government is also giving, government of Gujarat Sodh under Sodh, they are giving 50,000 rupees per month, 15,000 rupees per month. Charusat is also giving these scholarships for the student. Okay, you have to work for 8-10 hours for laboratories and you will be getting 15 to 20,000 rupees per month. So when you become project manager or when you finish your masters, of course your salary is going to be accordingly given. Okay, it's not like you are a graduate and accordingly your salary is given. So it is always going to be in multiple. So if you become project manager, your salary will be 50 lakh rupees. Okay, then you can't just compare that first 2 years you have lost 8 lakh rupees and all that. So you have to always think with a vision. You have to not see the scenario or where you want to see today yourself, but you have to see that after 10 years down the line where you want to see yourself. So education is one kind of investment. There is a college with government colleges without any fees, 1,500 rupees for boys, for girls nothing. The colleges with 50,000 also and colleges with 2 lakh rupees also. Right, in Charusat, your fees is very limited only due to we are running in a rural surrounding. Same university, if it is in Ahmedabad, then you would have paid right now 2 lakh rupees per month. Per year, sorry. Right, so education is one kind of investment. So you have to always see that whatever certification I am going to do, if I am going to join the Professional Society chapter, will it add any value to my career, to my resume? Then you do that. Right, so value addition must be there, and based on that you have to take the decision.
Yes, students, any other query or suggestion?
I think still this is the problem. Yeah, please. Right, so you have to open up. When I given the platform, then you have to speak up. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Myself, Harth Patel, and the question I had, sir, that we have a DRDO and ISRO's project going on in our university. So how can we approach and how can we be the part of that project?
So you have a counselor. Are you aware about your counselor?
Yes, sir.
So if by this time you would have approached that counselor, then this issues has been resolved. Your answer for this question have already been received. So there is a Charusat Space Research and Technology Center under which we are running all the projects. It is very confidential works. That's why we cannot market it. Okay, so you have to just discuss with your counselor or your class coordinator or head of the department, and they in turn will give you the reference of the teacher, those who are working in CSRTC. And then you come to know about which kind of projects in which they are working and what can be your role. Because these all projects are multidisciplinary in nature. There are mechanical people are also engaged for this all kind of manufacturing part, electronics people for onboard computing, and computer people for doing programming and coding part. Right, so you can imagine that your role is always going to be there in terms of computation part.
Yes, Dhruval.
So Rima madam, you can approach Rikin Naik sir, who is the brother of Amit Naik sir, and you may ask him to give the list of projects along with the project coordinator. Okay, and that you can circulate to this bench.
Okay, sir, sure.
Fine. So did I answer your question?
Yes, sir. I got answer. Thank you, sir.
So don't hesitate. Okay, always meet the people. Always discuss with your teacher, with your counselor, without any hesitation. Okay.
Yes, Dhruval.
Hello, sir. 19 TCS 124 Dhruval this side. Sir, apart from the communication and soft skills side that you have largely spoken about, what do you feel is the most basic / elementary thing that my seniors lack in terms of getting placement?
Fundamentals and foundations, subjects knowledge, data structure, design and analysis of algorithm, DBMS, operating system, computer network, data communication, discrete mathematics. That's it. You have to be fundamentally strong.
Yes, roll number 89, Momofis.
Yes, sir. I'm Mofis Sanagar from IT department. And sir, my query is about, as you said, be a member of a society. So, sir, I don't have actually much knowledge about it. So, sir, can you provide us more information?
Of course, that is what I have said. I have already requested all the heads. They are going to interact and one document will be circulated. Madam, Rima madam, you may ask Sil and Chintal madam to give the information about all the 3 academies, 3 professional society chapters, which are the benefits and all that. Okay.
Okay, sir, sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Yash Patel. So I was asking what skills would you suggest students should focus on who are planning on their masters?
Research orientation should be there. Okay. And you have to be good in communication, as I already said. English, they are always going to look in.
Yes, sir.
About all the subject and one specialization either in machine learning, data science, IoT, cloud, blockchain, etc. That's it.
Also, there are options for both thesis-based and course-based masters. So one applied in the course-based. So is he required research paper or not?
Now, of course, this is what I have said. If you have a research publication, then it will strengthen your document, and based on that, you may ask for some kind of scholarship or reduction in fees. So this will be in favor of you.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Myself, Divyam Solsoya from CSE2. Sir, as you mentioned many times, the research-oriented, we need a good skill in research for masters and for good career, right? So, sir, can we arrange some expert session on how to go in particular research or how to start?
Rima madam, yeah, Rima madam, ask Minal sir to tomorrow only give the orientation about research. He did already once, right?
Yes, sir.
So ask Minal Patel sir to give the orientation about research to this batch tomorrow only.
Okay, sir, sure.
Okay, done. Sure, next.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yeah.
Also, sir, are there any clubs going on helping?
I already requested madam to circulate. Madam, this should always, when you start the semester, you just make a practice this, that all these documents related to academies, professional society chapter, clubs, and all other initiatives what we have taken should be circulated to all the students along with the booklet and experiment list. Did you receive the booklet and experiment list? Did you receive syllabus booklet and experiment list?
Yes, sir. We have received everything.
Yes, sir.
Fine. And did you receive academic schedule calendar also?
Yes, sir. That also we received.
So, Rima madam, at the end of this meeting, you prepare the minutes also, the way yesterday Radhika prepared for yesterday's meeting, and you circulate with all the students as well as DevStar staff. And whatever I have asked you to share, you can share today only, and ask the head of the department to conduct individual meeting with the students tomorrow.
Okay, sure, sir.
All actions to be taken immediately. Right?
Yes, sir, sure.
Nothing should be pending before we leave the college or university.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'll be circulating by today only, before 4:30.
So next.
Yes, Anushree.
Yes, sir. I wanted to know if our university is having any collaboration with any outside community club, community service club or social club, because for masters, they are also seeing our social activities.
Yes. So Rima madam, please talk with Kirti madam and provide that information to Anush. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I think you need to discuss it out this with our cultural team also, because they might be aware. NCC, NSS, and all this information you can bring together, all you can collect and you can circulate to the student.
Okay, sir.
So I think we have some collaboration with some social organization, NGOs, and so many such kind of thing. I think Kirti madam can give you the information about that.
Okay, sir.
Or you may contact Bhaskar Pandya sir also.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we'll circulate.
Yes, Harsh.
How can we prepare for aptitude and all? Like aptitude tests?
I practice. I think we have already kept the session, and sessions are still are going to be arranged. So I have already talked in the morning with Kushi madam and Jason madam. Still, you will be having so many sessions in these 2 semesters before 7th semester where you are going to face your placement. Okay. So this is only by just making a practice. So all these topics what are being covered, you have to do a lot of practice on that. So they are also going to give you so many exercises which you have to solve in a quick time. So Rima madam,
Yes,
we have prepared that syllabus of aptitude attitude.
yes, sir.
Right. So this is to be taken from Jason madam today only, and you can circulate to the students.
Okay.
And you can collect some of the past question papers of certain industry technical question paper like TCS, Infochip and all, and that can be circulated to the students also, so that they can understand which kind of questions of mathematics, physics and all our core subjects can be asked.
Okay, sir.
And make sure this activities to be strengthened. Okay, this aptitude and attitude building activities to be strengthened in next 2 semesters before 7th semester. So there should be no issues related to attitude and aptitude, and based on that, students should be filtered out in the placement. So a lot of technical workshops are to be planned, as we have decided to go for full stack web development. Okay, in which we are going to cover PHP, MySQL, okay, CSS, HTML, and all that. And we can have a workshop on some data science tool or machine learning tool also. Okay, workshop related to cloud computing at least one, and workshop related to IoT at least one. At least this you can make as a goal, and in next 2 semesters this is required to be achieved for this batch. Yes.
Any other queries, students?
Don't hesitate. You can ask anything. You can give suggestion also, right? I am very open-minded, and don't worry about that. Chocolate with negative calories are also fine. If you have any suggestion, you can openly tell. No system is perfect on day one. Okay, we have to jointly work together and make it perfect or complete. So university is not about all the 4 walls. University means staff and students, right?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sometimes it happens like some other students are connecting with other communities like cloud facilitators and all. So, but we don't know about that. So, if you manage some kind of things, then it would be very helpful to us.
Sure. No problem. Rima madam, such exposure can also be provided. Okay. So like AWS is there, Amazon Web Services, which are based on cloud. Same way for data science, for machine learning, as she has rightly said, or at least we can provide that kind of exposure. So again, you may ask Jaisal ma'am, she is aware about all these companies and all that. Okay, so student will get good link and references for that.
Yes, sir.
Even Anusri, you can help, okay, by talking with your dad.
Yes, sir.
You can help your classmate, na?
Yes, sir. Sure.
So Maulik sir was a chairman at Asia, so I think you can help it out, right? As of course we are also going to do it, but you can also help your peers.
Yes, sir. Sure. She can leave me an email. I can surely try to help her.
Fine,
Yes.
fine. Or you can send a common email to group, right? So we have to help it out, and we have to uplift our peers also. This is all of you I am saying, not only to Anushree only. So please make sure that if companies are always going to see this kind of thing, whether you are a team player or not. So if there is a team exercise which is being given, and if you are going to become selfish, and if you are going to show your result quicker, then it is going to be considered as a negative, right? Rather, after finishing your task, whether you are helping to the others or not, this is what people are going to always watch and observe. Hello. Any other question? Otherwise, I have a meeting, so I have to leave.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have one suggestion.
Yes.
Sir, as per my opinion, as we have good workshops have happened in our university, it's really good. But what happens sometimes, it become very superficial knowledge we get. Just in a 2 hours, we cannot get in depth about this. So my suggestion is that quite hands-on sessions or something quite superficial kind of subjects would be taken for the workshops. So it would be better to be interactive there also.
It is well taken. Your suggestion is well taken. Rima madam, make sure that all expert talk just should not give information and knowledge. Rather, there should be some practical exercise or hands-on or some application utility aspect or use case aspect should also be covered inside that.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Right? And make sure that now more coding competitions and more such kind of workshop where hands-on as well as student can make real-time practice along with the teacher. Such kind of things can be arranged.
Yes, sir.
Right. And in laboratory also, for all the subjects which they are studying right now, you ask all the teachers that parallelly student can perform same thing. This is how they can conduct the lab.
Yes, sir.
It should not be one way, right?
Yes,
it should be full duplex. Make sure all the suggestions what they have given, what we have discussed, action should be immediately taken before 4:30. I am going into meeting, but make sure minutes should be circulated.
Yes, sir. Sure.
It should be shared with the extra staff with a request to heads to interact with them and take the action.
Yes, sir. I'll be circulating it. Sir, one more question we are having. Can you arrange webinar for communicating with the seniors who got placement at well package?
Done. Madam, you may ask Kusi ma'am and Jaisal ma'am and their seniors, those have already been placed and this whole batch.
Okay, sir.
So you can arrange a Zoom meeting or this team meeting, and where no teachers are there, they will be discussing with their seniors.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so I have to leave now as time is approaching fast. I have to PM meeting. So I have already received the message. So thank you all of you. And if you have any other question, you can continue with Rima madam, as well as you can send me an email or discuss with your heads also. I assure you that all your suggestions are well taken and it will be implemented.
Thank you so much, sir, for sparing your time with us.
Thank you all of you. Take care and see you soon at ChamSet, right? As per the government guidelines.
Thank you, sir.
So take care all of you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, work hard, work smart. You have a bright future ahead. My wishes for all of you.